In this video, I will show you how to protect your iPad by installing a rugged case. This case is called Poetic Revolution Rugged Case. I got it from Amazon. It comes with instructions, and I chose it because it was a good value and it has an integrated screen protector. First, you need to clean the iPad with a cleaning pad. Then remove all the packaging from the case. And to open the case, it's a little bit tricky. You need to remove the border a little bit to the outside and then pull on the screen protector. Careful not to break the screen protector. It needs a little bit force to separate both. You should be patient. And here they are separate. Second step is to install the iPad to the screen protection. Make sure to align the camera to the opening of the camera on the top. Then slide the iPad as you see in this video, and you need to push it down on the corners so it clicks. So the screen protector hugs the iPad very good, and it looks really good. Now make sure to align the controls of the iPad to the controls of the back cover. Align the back cover with the screen protector, and then to put it back in, also lift the edges a little bit and push it in, and make sure everything is aligned. That's it. Now let's test the iPad. The controls feel sturdy. They are not mushy and caoutchoucy. They are really hard controls, so they are very good. And as you see, the iPad works very good. I'm going to launch an application now, and all the controls work. This case comes with a kickstand. The kickstand is good and it's very useful. You should be careful though when you close the kickstand. You cannot just push it in. You need to slide the inside as this, like this, and then close the kickstand. Otherwise it might break. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.